In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a logo or avatar on Tradingview so you can personalize your profile and charts. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top corner for your profile icon. Click on your profile picture or the default avatar. This will open your profile menu. Now click on your profile name to open your full profile page. Once inside, look for a small edit icon or pencil icon on your profile picture. Click on it to start updating your avatar. Now choose Upload Image from your device. Select your logo or avatar file from your computer. Make sure the image is clear and properly sized. After uploading, adjust the positioning if needed. Then confirm the changes to save your new avatar. Your logo or profile image will now appear across your Tradingview account. If you share charts or ideas, others will see your updated avatar as well. This helps you build a more professional and recognizable presence. That's it. You've successfully added a logo or avatar in Tradingview. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.